Simplified medical terminology. A new series of medical words for doctors and nurses. Hi, I am Dr. Arshnoor from Dr. Arshnoor's OET Institute. I am trying to provide you the best solution for your big challenges. And I know that vocabulary is always horrifying to everyone, and by these videos I am simplifying it nicely. Thank you for sharing, loving and liking my videos. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it right now, because only by this you will be able to get the notification when I am uploading any new video on my channel. So let's start the video. Coeliotomy, surgery to cut into the abdominal cavity. Cell, the basic building block of all living things. Cell membrane, layer that surrounds a cell. Cellulitis, common and potentially serious bacterial skin and subcutaneous tissue infections. Central laboratory, a single laboratory, often a contract laboratory, which is contracted to perform laboratory testing for some or all sites in a multi-center clinical trial. Central nervous system, CNS, the brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system drugs, drugs that speed up or slow down the central nervous system. Cephalalgia, cephalalgia is a symptom that refers to any type of pain located in the head. There are more than 150 types, but, broadly speaking, they can be divided into two large categories: primary and secondary headaches. Cephalic, related to the head or the head end of the body. Cephalosporin, type of antibiotic. Cerebellitis, acute cerebellitis in adults is a rare disorder which mainly presents with headache, nausea, vomiting and ataxia. Cerebellum, the part of the brain that controls the movement of the muscles and helps maintain balance. Cerebral, of or relating to the brain or the intellect. Of, relating to, affecting, or being the cerebrum. Cerebral aneurysm, bulging or ballooning in a blood vessel in the brain. Cerebral angiography. Cerebral angiography is a procedure that uses a special dye, contrast material, and X-rays to see how blood flows through the brain. Cerebral palsy, CP. A congenital disorder affecting movement, muscle tone or posture. Cerebral palsy is due to abnormal brain development, often before birth. Cerebral thrombosis, blood clot in the brain. Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, is an ultrafiltrate of plasma contained within the ventricles of the brain and the subarachnoid spaces of the cranium and spine. Cerebrovascular accident, CVA. Damage to the brain from interruption of its blood supply, stroke. Cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. It is divided into two hemispheres, or halves, called the cerebral hemispheres. Areas within the cerebrum control muscle functions and also control speech, thought, emotions, reading, writing, and learning. Cerumen, earwax, also known by the medical term cerumen, is a waxy substance secreted in the ear canal of humans and other mammals. Earwax can be many colors, including brown, orange, red, yellowish, and gray. Ceruminoma. Ceruminoma is a rare tumor arising from the apocrine sweat glands of the ear canal. Cervical vertebrae, bones of the neck. Cervicectomy, surgery to remove the cervix. Cervicitis, inflammation of the cervix. Chalazion, pimple on the eyelid caused by an inflamed gland. Shaler-Raffi, surgery to stitch a lip. Chemical name, chemical formula for a drug. Generic, chemotherapeutic agent, anti-cancer drug. Chemotherapy, treatment of disease using drugs. Chest cavity, space where the heart, lungs, esophagus, trachea, bronchi, and thymus are located. Chiropodist, doctor who treats disorders of the feet. Chiropractor, doctor who treats disorders of the spine and nerves. Chisel, wedge-like tool with a blade that is used for cutting or chipping. Chlamydia, type of germ that usually infects the eyes, lungs, or sex organs. Chloasma, an acquired pigmentary disorder of the skin, characterized by areas of discoloration known as hyperpigmentation. Cholangiogram, a special kind of X-ray imaging that shows those bile ducts. Cholangioма, cancer of a bile duct. Cholecystectomy, surgery to remove the gallbladder. Cholecystitis. Cholecystitis is a redness and swelling, inflammation, of the gallbladder. It happens when a digestive juice called bile gets trapped in your gallbladder. Cholecystolithiasis. Cholecystolithiasis is the condition of having a gallstone, or stones, in your common bile duct. Choldaco is the Latin term for the common bile duct, and lithiasis means stones. Choldacholithotripsy, surgery to crush gallstones in a bile duct. Cholelithiasis. Cholelithiasis or gallstones are hardened deposits of digestive fluid that can form in your gallbladder. Cholinergic, type of nerve or a drug used to change its action. Chondrectomy, surgery to remove cartilage, chondromalacia, softening of joint cartilage, usually inside the knee. Hope this video will be helpful for you. And the second part of the video will be coming soon. Stay connected, happy learning, watch this video till end. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it right now and do not forget to share and like this video. Thank you for watching, stay connected, see you very soon with new video.